I've been looking for y'all for like months and months and months. I ain't know where to find y'all. And all of a sudden the new year came, and here y'all is. Yeah, I said is. Here y'all is. What's going on with you? Hey, how's that refrigerator review? For those who've never seen it, the reason it is called that is because the laptop is on the refrigerator. That way I have to look up and I can hide the chins. All right, y'all, let's get started, because, you know, it's been a while. Well, let me just explain this to y'all. I hadn't done one because I just wanted Donald Trump out of office before and technically he is. I know physically he ain't, but so I'm back. Yeah. If someone was to ask me to visually demonstrate what 2020 was like, it would be this. What is she feeling right now? What is she actually feeling? See, y'all about to make folk not ever want to go to Planet Fitness again if that's what's going on up in there. If that's what you get for $10, that's okay. I'm good. Y'all know she ain't been the same since she bought that outfit to be in Rick James' Super Freak video back in 1982, and he told her no. What? Y'all better come get that. I'm saying come get all of it. That right there is what started COVID. I'm just going to be truthful. I'm just going to put it like it need to be put. That's what started it right there. That is the reason. Don't bring that into 2021. Y'all find that and hide it, please. I can't. Okay. For those of you who didn't know, I spent Christmas holiday with the coronavirus. And yeah, okay, it was not fun at all. But one of the things that people were telling me to take was that deep dark chocolate, that rich chocolate, not the kind you get in a Twix bar or in Kit Kat, but that deep bitter chocolate. And all I could think about was this little boy right here. I felt so sorry for this little boy. You can tell the moment when he stopped trusting his mama and his daddy. He don't believe in Santa Claus. He know there ain't no Easter bunny around here laying colored eggs. Oh, and apparently he's some kin to Bill Clinton, because he didn't inhale either. He had to look at the container to see. Anyway. Now, as I told y'all, I had corona. Yes, I did. And again, it's not a fun thing. And yes, I lost my sense of taste and my sense of smell. But I was scared and I thought I lost my hearing too. What? Wait a minute. Wait a whole minute. Now the guy with the shaggy mohawk just got through throwing his hands up, giving God honor and praise. And you gonna come in with the devil. What in the world? Even the piano player had to look over like, can you not hear what I'm playing? I wish I could have been the cameraman, because I would have dropped that camera. Y'all, it couldn't have been in a black church, because the piano player would have just stopped playing and probably tried to find the key he was in, but I'm not sure if that would work. And then he gonna hit this. He almost got the last note, but and look, that boy gonna try to help him on the piano. You can't help that. Well, in other news, and I thought I wouldn't even have to report on something like this, but we got Soho Karen. And apparently her and her drunk mama have been arrested before. Her mama gonna hit a policeman. Really? And she gonna go through all this. First of all, for a phone. But second of all, it won't even her phone. And you know what? You know what I'm upset with the hotel about? Y'all found her phone and made sure she got it back. But all you did was apologize to the two men, to the gentleman and his son. But you made sure she got her. Okay. And then she tackled the boy. You know what? God knew exactly what he was doing. He had it happen to the right one. Cause let me tell you something. Every time she turned the TV on and a football game was on, she'd have had PTSD. Because if she had tackled me, y'all would have thought she was Native American. Because y'all would have been calling her Apache. Do you understand me? And the police wouldn't have had to look for her. I'd have had all the DNA that they needed. All of it. Now, come on, Soho. Come on. It's going to be hot. And this.
Where you from, nigga? Where you from? Where you from? Where the fuck you from, nigga? You from here? Get the fuck out of here, you a clown, nigga. Oh God, you a clown, nigga. You from here? You a clown. What, you gonna smack me with that? Smack me. Smack me. Smack me, nigga. Come on, yeah.
Now, I just gotta go on record and say, he was allotted the 3 nigga rule. But when he got that 4th nigga out his mouth, that's when all hell broke loose. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. He got what... Look, it ain't no coincidence. You had that, and then you had this whole truckload of Twisted Tea on the highway. Now, I know they didn't happen at the same time. In fact, the Twisted Tea happened first. Now, I'm not saying the 2 stories are related, but I just want y'all to think again. I want y'all to really think before you call somebody else a nigga. Because it might not go so well for you. This ain't Lipton. I need to finish this. I'll talk to y'all another time. Alright? Okay. Bye.